Hello everybody, today we're gonna show you this fabulous bakery case. Now I'm gonna show you the dimension of this case from left to right. The width of this case is 35.5 inch. From front to back, we have 26 3/4, almost 27 inch. And from top to bottom, for the height, we have 47 inches. And now let me show you the back of this unit. We have two sliding doors, two sliding glass door opens from left to right, right to left. And also it comes with two glass shelves where you can see it's removable. It also comes with LED lighting on each shelf, under each shelf. Also on the back, we have the digital control for temperature settings and timers, and here's a power button. Also, this is the spec sheet. You can see the voltage, watts, and all that info. Now I'm gonna give you the internal dimension of this unit. From left to right, we have 32 3/4 inches. From top to bottom, we have 26 inches. And front to back, we have 20.5 inches. For more details about this product, you can check out our website or give us a call. And thank you very much.